are sailing across the... Oh, hello, Jude.
Hey.
Yes. How are you?
Good. What are we sporting here?
It's the America's Cup. Well, this is a shirt from the America's Cup.
Anyway, what's more interesting than that to talk about?
What's more interesting than that? Well, everything really. Our renovations, for example. When should you renovate?
Ooh, look, if I had a crystal ball, I'm not sure even then I'd be able to tell you.
Well, you would if you had a crystal ball, because you just look in the future.
But instinctively, we're doing some renovations at home. You're either moving or you're renovating or you're happy.
So I guess the question is, should you renovate before you sell?
Oh,
That's a good question.
it is a good question, but 9 times out of 10, if you're going to renovate, maybe you should enjoy that renovation. That is a big cost financially, in time, and in decision making to undertake a renovation.
Mental health as well sometimes.
And sometimes vendors will say to us, should we change the kitchen? Should we do this? Should we do that? And I say, you know what? Maybe you could leave that for somebody else to do, unless you're going to enjoy that room, whether it be kitchens, bathrooms. Maybe, I don't know. The jury can be out on that sometimes, but I think if you're going to do a reasonably major renovation, you should really be doing it to enjoy the property.
Yeah, I think so. I think if you're looking at doing a renovation, firstly, get an appraisal done of your property, because if you don't know what it's worth now and you don't know what you have to spend on it, you don't know what you're going to end up with, why do the renovation?
Yeah.
If you're looking at maybe selling within the next couple of years, you think, okay, I'm going to spend $100,000, which is easily spent on a renovation.
Believe me.
Are you going to get that $100,000 back?
Yeah.
Or would you be better selling in the high market and then putting that money into another property?
Yeah.
Because quite often you're better to sell unrenovated. If you paint a bathroom, for example, pink, which Jude would probably do if she had a free reign, of course, and then someone else says, oh, well, no, I don't like that pink, we'll have blue or white or whatever.
Yeah.
So we just don't know. We've had situations, I can't remember the property, but there was one where they had recarpeted it, and somebody came in and said, oh no, I don't like that I don't like that colour carpet. They just spent all this money in recarpeting
my goodness,
it.
and
Remember
all the
that?
carpet came out and wood floors went down. So look, talk to us if you're thinking about doing a small renovation, a medium or a large, and we can
Cover all three bases.
we can tell you some stories or give you some ideas around what impact that would make on the value of your property.
So we're actually standing in our garden in front of the lemon tree. As you can see, it's got green lemons on at the moment and they're not limes.
Actually, to be honest, it's the only part of the garden that is worth photographing at the moment.
I don't know, we'll take a sweeping...
No, don't do a sweeping shot later.
Sweeping panorama.
I keep meaning to get into the garden and tidy it up, but
You do.
I'm pretty good at that.
Anyway, look, to get in touch with us, because after all, that's what you have to do, to get in touch with us.
Yes, Pete.
To talk about renovations, to talk about anything you like, actually. America's Cup, fashion, maybe motorcycles, whatever.
They're all the things you want to talk about.
Gardens.
Gardens.
Pink things.
Pink things.
Yeah. But to do that, you have to phone Jude on
021 277 844 or Pete on
027 6630 or 0800 583 326 or teameverett.co.nz.
finally.
Yes, finally. Well, no, it was that, but it's the Facebook.
I like your Ray White hat.
Thank you. Or teameverett@raywhite.com.
Okay, there's lots of ways they can get hold
Lots
of
of
us.
ways.
You can
You can see them
Google
right
Judith
there.
Everett, Team Everett, Ray White, St Heliers. You can find us.
Olivia Lloyd.
Okay, bye Pete.
Bye.